हाँ कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया ना क्या एसी बट लाइट इज कमिंग ना
नहीं वो सिर्फ एसी स्विच ऑफ
एसी स्विच ऑफ कर दिया तो
वो ऑटोमेटिकली होता है उन्होंने पहले से प्रोग्राम किया तो बताना पड़ेगा कि
बोलना पड़ेगा फैन चलाने से हो जाएगा ठीक है विदाउट फैन आल्सो कैन मैनेज ना यस दिस फर्दर अब देखो ये मैप देखो यू विल सी द सेम थिंग हियर आप इसको ड्रॉ किया ना यू ड्रॉ दिस मैप और नॉट टेल मी ठीक है ना so when Haram was working there was no age data था ही नहीं था you was just simple relying on the map how the map was occurring microscopic studies these are the things tools you know with me now you see I just describe that this is the dot portions can you see now the dot portions you see what are these things Delhi very good ये ही सब है तो ये कितना स्प्रेड आउट देखो खत्री के इज खत्री ए इज अलवा जे इज जवार ए जयपुर बीपी इज भरतपुर में है ना टाइगर सेंचुरी सो दीस आर व्हाट नॉर्थ दिल्ली ये नॉर्थ दिल्ली हो गया नॉर्थ दिल्ली ये जो पूरा पार्ट है आइदर यू कैन कॉल इट इज ए सेंट्रल दिल्ली और दिस पार्ट इज सेंट्रल दिल्ली द अंबाजी पार्ट इज सदर्न दिल्ली so though you have visited to Ambaji so you are working in south that is the thing. So this is the Ambaji area. This is the Ambaji area. Would you follow this point? This is Ambaji. So this is your so he said this is the central part of the synclinarium एक synclinarium ऐसे होता है ना उसका सेंटर में कौन बैठा है दिल्ली बैठा है ऐसे वो what type of structure he gave you know ऐसे सेंटर में आप ऐसे दिल्ली को दिल्ली ये बात इसको आप दिल्ली को so he has to explain it in terms of synclinarium so this is the central part now ये चला गया आप आरावली देखो this vertical line is आरावली उदयपुर is here you know उदयपुर you visiting so this is उदयपुर आरावली then this is the vertical lines here this is Jahazpur JP is Jahazpur Hindoli is some small place Hindoli Jahazpur Arab and you see ना ये एक स्ट्रिप है ऐसा जा दूसरा स्ट्रिप देखो ये सिरोही के पास ये हो गया आपका दिल्ली का इस तरफ आरावली है ना ये आरावली so वो क्या किया आरावली को इधर रख दिया Yeah. That is how he is discussing his synclinarium structures. So, central part is Delhi. On the left flank, you have Aravali, Sirohi Aravali, Udaipur and Hindoli Jahazpur Aravali. Together, you know, they form the right arm. Sirohi forms the left arm. Okay? So, this is Sirohi Aravali, this is Udaipur, Jahazpur, Hindoli Aravali. Now, then come the basements. ये तो हो गया कवर का बेसमेंट कैसे आया now this side you saw this Bundelkhand is here these are called Sirohi BGC कैसे कहाँ है ये आप देखो ये सब डैश लाइन इस लाइन देख रहे हो ना ये सब ये सब इस तरह का BGC this part you see BGC1 BGC2 these are basement heights है और इधर है BGC this is the barrage granite तो वो कैसे पिक्चर दिया उन्होंने BGC है यहाँ दो पोर्शन निकल गया है थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड करो ये आरावली ये बीजीसी ये बेसमेंट हाइस था फिर अगेन दिस साइड इज बीजीसी बीज यहाँ आ गया, दोनों आराबोली के बीच में एक हाई है ना, अब देखो ये जो आराबोली है बीच में BGC1 आ गया, इधर भी BGC2 आ गया, दीज आर बेसमेंट हाइज ना, तो बेसमेंट हाइज को इसके बीच में लगा दिया, फिर आराबोली आ गया, ये आराबोली आया, इसके बाद फिर BGC आया, इसके बाद फिर BGC आया. You don't understand this structure. If you follow, if you take a traverse like this, you know, what you will get? First you will get BGC, then this Aravalli, then Delhi, then Aravalli, बीच में BGC निकल गया, बेसमेंट हाई निकल गया, फिर Aravalli आया, फिर BGC. So this is how his structure look like, synclinarium structures, you know. See the large syncline, the core part is occupied by Delhi, followed by Aravalli, then BGC, and then there is an isolated part of Aravalli, then BGC. This is the structure given by Heron. Understood ना? So like this, you know, जितना हमारा इंडिया में मोबाइल बेल्ट है, once upon a time they were thought to be synclinariums only. Singhum mobile belt. That was a synclinarium. Eastern Ghat mobile belt was considered to be synclinarium. I showed you with that map in India map where many mobile belts are shown. They are considered to be synclinarium. क्यों? उसका अंदर इतना sedimentary belts are deposited. So they are considered to be the synclinariums. जिसमें all these sediments have been deposited. Would follow this point. That time the plate tectonic concept was not there. Mobile belt concept was not there. Now what happened? It's okay na, up to this point. So there was a gentleman called C.S. Raja. C.S. Raja. Like this, some people come sometimes in the history, you know. So Heron ruled, you know, Heron's map ruled right from 1950 to 1960, 1965. You know. So everybody was following Heron's map. Heron's map is Heron's concept. Map today also we are following Heron's map. Map you cannot change. Whatever he has shown in the map, you know, suppose he has shown somewhere, you know, granite, somewhere he has shown some Aravallis, it will be there. But the age of the rocks are now changed. Whatever was considered to be Archean, whatever was considered to be Proterozoic, that is changed now. Because you have now facility for dating the rocks. So, yeah, one part I just forgot, you know. These darker patches, you know, darker patches are rhyologies. Between Delhi and Aravalli, so he has shown some rhyology here. Near Udik, there is another place called Ras, that is rhyology. Here, Ras. Near Ras is one, another one was Kankroli Nathudwar. Kankroli Nathudwar. This is Kankroli Nathudwar, this is called Ras. These are the two places where you get the Ras, Rhyolo marbles. When you see this shape of this dark color rocks, like hook, you know, it is called a hook. So Heron named it as two different names he has given. One is Hammerhead syncline, Hammerhead syncline, hook syncline. So these names he used for Rhyolo rocks near Kankroli. These rocks. These rocks. But the Ras, this is also Rhyolos. From here, the rocks have gone for Mokrana is a place very close to Ras, Mokrana. So from here, the marbles have gone for what is that? Tajma. This is Mokrana. So Mokrana is somewhere here, very close to this place. So these are Rhyolo marbles. Now what happened? Yeah, what the next story took a turn, you know, C.S. Raja. What C.S. Raja did, you know? C.S. Raja was a geologist, you know, when he made these changes. In 1965, during that period. So he was working in the Beras River. He was working in the Beras River. That is the area he was working. So his main focus was Beras granite. Main focus was Beras granite. Beras granite किधर है? ये Beras granite है. Can you see this Beras granite? So what is the status of Beras granite so far? What Heron told? This is the basement. What is the cover rock? Aravallis. So ये Aravalli है, cover rock. ये Aravalli है, ये cover rock. This is the Beras granite. Can you see ना? ये Beras granite. Beras granite is the basement. Beras granite is equivalent to BGC1, BGC2. That is the basement rock. So what C.S. Raja, he was mapping this Beras granite. He was mapping this cover rocks. That is the job was given to him. So what he found, this Beras granite is not a basement rock. What he said, he said this is intruding into the Udaipur. Right? Understand this part. But it is forming a basement to this Hinduli. Are you able to understand the significance of this sentence? What Rajarao said, this Beras granite is intruding into Udaipur Aravallis. You have two arms of Aravallis, but basement for Hindoli Jahazpur Aravallis. Try to understand this part. What Heron said? Heron said this is the basement for Hindoli Jahazpur Aravallis as well as Udaipur Aravallis. But these gentlemen, C.S. Rajarao said, no, this is intruding into this. Follow this point. No, I just made a mistake. Just. Beras granite is intruding into, Hindoli Jahazpur Aravalli, but basement for Udaipur Aravalli. Basement for Udaipur Aravalli. So this Beras granite is intruding into this Aravalli, but basement for this Aravalli. मैं तो एक स्केच बना पाऊँ कैसे वो what he interpreted है मिटा देता हूँ something like this. Suppose this is Beras granite. Beras granite is given as plus symbol ना. All granites are given plus symbol. So this is Beras granite. Beras granite. So this is intruding into these are sediments. This is intruding into Hindoli Jahazpur Aravalli. Including into Hindoli Jahazpur, basement for Udaipur. सर मैं दोबारा चेंज किया तो आप इसलिए मैं स्केच बनाया आपके लिए हिंदोली जहाजपुर अरावली इधर देखा बट बेसमेंट फॉर उदयपुर अरावली अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट हाँ तो देख रहा कि इट इज बिकमिंग टू मच एंगल टू यू हेरोन क्या बोला था ये है आपका Beras granite. This is basement for उदयपुर के लिए बेसमेंट है एज वेल एज हिंदोली के लिए बेसमेंट है दैट इज व्हाट हेरोनेस सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट डिफरेंस फर्स्ट डिवीजन राजाराव तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ बताओ व्हाट इज द इंटरप्रिटेशन देन
Udaipur Aravalli is younger.
Udaipur Aravalli is younger than this. These two Aravallis cannot be same then. Though they are having low grade metamorphism, though they are having phyllite, cyst, this type of rock, but they are not same. And moreover, this granite is in between these two. Because this granite is intruding into it. That means ये पहले हुआ जहाजपुर अरावली पहले हुआ बाद में ये इंट्रूड किया फिर इसका ऊपर डिपॉजिट हुआ यही रिलेशनशिप आया पहले व्हाट हेरोन थॉट पहले बेरास ग्रेनाइट आया बेसमेंट उसके ऊपर ऑल दी सेडिमेंट्स वर डिपॉजिटेड फॉलो दिस पॉइंट सो दिस इज अ बिग डिस्कवरी व्हिच हेरोन थॉट दिस इज प्योरली बेसमेंट रॉक फॉर ऑल द Aravallis These gentlemen thought, no, this is basement for Udaipur. But intrusive into this phenomena, was so much under discussing, basement cover relationship. Basement cover relationship. So this was once upon a time, there a criteria to define the age of the rocks. Now अभी क्या होता है? आप कहीं जगह में चले जाओ, इतना बड़ा सैंपल उठा लो, जिरकन थोड़ा सेपरेशन कर दो, जिरकन सेपरेशन करके एज निकाल दो. Very easy now. Without understanding field relationships, आपको जरूरत नहीं. आप हिंगोली में चले जाओ, कुछ वोल्केनिक इग्नियस रॉक निकालो यहाँ से, उसका डेटिंग कर दो, श्रिप में, इसका भी कर दो, इसका भी कर दो. So all these relationships will be established. बहुत easy हो गया आजकल. You need not to understand the field geology. So that time this was not there. So people were based on, people are totally depending on this criteria. Basement cover relationship. Which is older, which is younger. So when Heron gave these things, this was also in his mind. When Rajarao gave this classification, this was also in mind. But field observation. Suppose Heron has told these things once, if Rajaram has to refute it, he has to provide solid evidences. Field में लोगों को लेके जाके दिखाना पड़ेगा उसको. So there are a lot of people, came even from outside India, just to see these things. So he became so famous, C.S. Rajaram. Just based on this cover basement relationship, he just proved the static to be wrong. Earlier everything was considered to be one, but now they are considered to be different things. Then the क्या बता?
Both Aravalli have same rock type or different?
Same rock types. देखने में सब same है.
Just that how it can be
वही ना?
different episode.
वही तो. That is what ना. इसलिए क्योंकि Heron saw both of them to be looking similar. But looking similar, does not say they have to be the same. हाँ, I will tell.
There are relation between Biraj granite and Hindoli Aravalli and Biraj granite and Udaipur Aravalli. Then is there any relation between Udaipur Aravalli and Hindoli?
These are two sedimentary rocks, na? You cannot see ना these things they are deformed, metamorphosed. Sediment को sediment आप कर नहीं सकते हैं ना. Problem is there. आप एक different rock type नहीं निकले. They are similar rocks. So quite easy to put them together. Unless you find somebody which is in between, a different rock, you cannot establish this phenomenon. So this evidence, where it is a basement, where it is an intrusive, that part, that particular spot, if you are losing, then gone. So, if you believe this basement cover relationship to be a criteria, very thorough in mapping, inch by inch you have to map. Then only you can tell something confirmatory, this is younger, this is older. So that is where Rajarao. So that is the, in fact, that is the strength of GSI geologists. Cover basement relations. They do not rely on this geochronological data so much. Even today also, even though you give some dates to them, they will not accept it so straight away. You put them in the field. Suppose you are telling Biraj granite has some age. You put them these things in the field. If this is the age, then you prove this relationship. Then only I will accept your age. Abhi tak they are so orthodox, so far as this criteria is concerned. So this is one thing, this is one debate, which went for years after years. Many things, many people came from outside to see it. Dharwad. So this is the fight between the C.S. Rajarao and others. In South India also, Dharwad, you have seen some peninsular gneisses over which the cyst belts are lying with unconfirmed at the base, like Chitradurga, Baba Budhan. So they have an unconfirmable base now. So you can apply there this cover basement relationship. So there was a strong fight, which is younger greenstone belts. That time there was no age. Chitradurga is younger or Baba Budhan is younger. How you will prove it when there is no age? You cannot see, one lying over the other with the deformed terrain, metamorphosed, deformed terrain. So it is not like Vindhyans, sediments are horizontally laying over the other. आप बोल पाएंगे जो नीचे है वो older है, जो ऊपर है वो younger है. ऐसे तो नहीं है ना. These are all deformed, metamorphosed. They may be even looking similar today. But how do they establish? You have to find a rock in between these two things, conglomerates you have to see. All those things will tell you which one is older, which one is younger. Absolutely on the field relationship. So in Dharwar also this fight is there very much. So there was once upon a time, one Srinivasan Rao, Professor Naha was in one group, The other group was Ramakrishnan who was written this book, Vaidyanathan, they were in the other group. Because this relationship, cover basement relationship, how to define that? So cover and basement relationship was once upon a time ruling, as a criteria to define the stratigraphy. Nowadays the jerker has come. It has become very easy. But it has also started fresh controversies that we will discuss. So let us see this part first. Otherwise you will be delayed. So now what happened? These two Aravalis are not same. First, this Aravali and this Aravali, this is older Aravali. This is a younger Aravali. That is what now? With respect to Beraz Granite. So when this controversy started, they invited people from Australia to date Beraz Granite. Beraz Granite first, it was dated in India, I could say. So Beraz, that time only rubidium strontium was the methodology. No uranium lead, no lead, no argon. That facility was not developed in the world. So rubidium strontium data was technically very reliable. So this Beraz granite produced the age of rubidium strontium age, which is nowadays people don't believe it. Rubidium strontium age 2585. Understood now? So what is this age? This is the Archean proterozoic boundary, like your closed bed granite. Closed bed granite is also included during this time. So this is that granite. If that is the case, this becomes proterozoic. This becomes Archean. You see? So this becomes proterozoic. So Udaipur Aravalli is now proterozoic. This becomes Archean. You understand this part? Earlier Heron was thinking everything was Archean. Based on this concept, this is the best bet, just like BGC. So this is the first turning point, telling that the Aravallis are not same uniform everywhere. So this is the proterozoic Aravalli, this is the Archean Aravalli. So when this came out to be Archean, a new name came into existence. They don't say it is Aravallis nowadays. They say it is Bhilwara supergroup. So they say this part is Bhilwara. So Bhilwara supergroup came from where, you understood now? From this controversy. So Hinduri Jahazpur Aravallis is now considered to be part of Bhilwara supergroup. The Bhilwara supergroup came into existence. So these are different revisions. So how C.S. Rajarao brought this revision? Then the edges came from everywhere. Once the gentleman, Prof was the gentleman, who dated these rocks for the first time. So when he was here, he collected samples from all over India. Because since he had been invited by Geological Survey of India to date the rocks, why one rock? That was date all the granites that time. So he took all the granites into Australia and dated them. They have that facility. Rubidium strontium mass. अभी तो इंडिया में कई सारा हो गया. Now, so this is Bhilwara supergroup. That is how it came into existence. So since this is Archean, then this BGC1, BGC1, BGC2, they are also Archean basements, So these two with this BGC1 and BGC2, so मिला के इसको Bhilwara supergroup किया. खाली वो आरावली को लेके Bhilwara supergroup नहीं किया. So that Hinduri Jahazpur Aravalli plus BGC1, BGC2 together they form this Bhilwara supergroup. So what is Bhilwara supergroup? These three components. This BGC1, BGC2 and this Hinduri Jahazpur. These are Bhilwara. So this is Aravalli now. Understood now? Then edges went on coming, What they found, So this is the first division.
Sir,
So first, tell me.
how to correlate Hindoli Jahazpur to BGC1 and BGC2?
So No. BGC1, BGC2, they are not individually correlated. The edges came, na? I am coming to that. Dilwada supergroup. So this is now Hinduli Jahaspur plus BGC1 plus BGC2. Together they are forming Dilwada. Then these BGC rocks are also dated. BGC rocks are also dated. So what are the edges it produced? It produced edges, 3000. I'll give you that case. Huh? I do not want to take any risk. So BGC rocks were dated. Huh? So one I am just writing 2882. This is your called Mewar gneiss. Mewar gneiss. The age of Mewar gneiss is 2882. Mewar gneiss किधर होगा? कौन सा BGC होगा? हाँ? He said, where is Udaipur? Udaipur is here, na? Udaipur is your Mewar. So BGC2 is Mewar gneiss. तो इधर ही राणा प्रताप था ना? राणा प्रताप थोड़ी उधर था. इधर ही था वो राणा प्रताप. ये राणा प्रताप यहाँ से चित्तौड़गढ़ होता था. और दिखाटी इधर ही है, सब इधर ही है. ये जो BGC1 है, it is very close to Ajmer. वहाँ फिर वो आ गया, मेरवाड़ आ गया. मेरवाड़ मतलब जहाँ जयपुर के राजा थे, जय सिंह साहब थे. उनका बहन को शादी किया था अकबर को. अकबर का लड़का कौन था? सालिम. वो तो नूरजहान करके किया, क्या वो तो अनारकली करके किया. वो थोड़ी था, he was never a hero, in his life. So all the love stories came from there only. But you see, go to Mewar, Rana Pratap को कभी देखना वहाँ जाके. He had a, the Rana Pratap lost because his Senapati was killed. Otherwise Rana Pratap would not have lost to Akbar. And Rana Pratap कौन सा chief Senapati? Faisal Khan. Akbar's soldier, the Hindu soldiers killed him. So that was the treachery, our own people had given to our own countrymen. Rana Pratap was defeated because of him only. His own things was killed. Otherwise he would not have lost the kingdom. Then Akbar took his kingdom. So this was the bravery of this part, अभी आप कभी उदयपुर जाएंगे तो उसका स्टैचू देखेंगे उसका सेनापति का. Maybe around 7 feet height, people describe. The sword was from 12 feet. Both Rana Pratap as well as he was carrying such a big sword. That sword you cannot lift now. 12 feet, such a big sword he was carrying. You cannot go to him, very close to him. And with the bow and arrow you cannot kill him. The whole body was with that dress, You cannot kill him. You have to fight with him and kill him. How can you fight with him when he is having a 12-feet sword? You cannot reach near him. Similar sword was with Prithviraj Chauhan also. Such a big sword, from here to that, maybe that wall, How can you go to him? He will just kill you before that. You cannot lift his sword. The strength he was having, bravery they were having, So that is the place, Udaipur. So Mewar gneiss was 2882. Some of the stories come to mind because I was associated with this Aravali Mandal for last so many years, 30, 40 years. There is one more thing, एक minute. Mewar gneiss is okay. There is Untala granite, Untala granite. That is 3,500. 3,500. Untala granite is somewhere here, very close to. This is within. Where I should say? Within. This is BGC2. This is also BGC2. Untala granite. Within BGC1, Mangalwad complex. Country rocks. BGC1 rocks. BGC1 rocks. 2800. 280. So these are the edges. This is the oldest edge in Aravali, 3500. What is the oldest rock in the Dharwad? Gorun gneiss. How much was the edge? 3.7, 3.8. 8 भी नहीं, 3.7. Earlier I was telling you, there was BGC rocks on the western side, Siroi BGC rocks. I told you, otherwise how the Sinfarm will come into existence. So from here, this informa is going down below and coming out this way, na? BGC rocks on this side. So now you have dates with you, So these rocks are dated. So BGC rocks on the western side of Aravalli. Fourth point on right. The BGC rocks. BGC means by Haram, na? BGC rocks on the western flank. ये सिरोही में है. सिरोही में कोई फील्ड वर्क है इस बार? on the सिरोही है क्या? कोई क्या? सिरोही कोई नहीं किया इस बार. So how much age is produced? I'll just give you as the exact age of the Pollard Sirohi. Thousand million. These are darker ages. No, understand this part. इधर तो हैरान ना BGC देखा था on this side. The BGC was shown here on the western side. It came out with 1,000 million. So which age this is? This is new prototype. So there is no older rocks on this side. ये older rock था ही नहीं इस पर. हम तो सोच रहे थे basement होगा. This side it is not existing at all. So how the Heron's idea was dropped? It is not a simple area. हम तो सोच रहे थे basement भी नीचे एक होगा, then sediments will be deposited one over the other. It is not like that. Understood ना? ये देख के then this division came. It is no more a simple area. So then this mobile belt concept came. Mobile belt concept. Mobile belt में क्या होता है? I will tell you. I will give a little example. Then I will come back to. कहाँ एग्जाम्पल दूंगा मैं? हिमालय को एग्जाम्पल दूंगा. आप देखो. अभी तो ठीक है ना, आराम से जहाँ तक पढ़ा है. मैं क्या बोलता हूँ आप देखो. इसको मैं बाद में पढ़ाऊंगा हिमालयन. But because I am just discussing a mobile belt, na, nothing better a mobile belt than Himalaya. You see, this maybe you cannot understand so easy, so straight. This is the syntaxis, the promontory. Himalaya, India just collided with China. This was the sedimentary belt, So this promontory created this syntaxis. Syntaxis means bend. One syntaxis is here, another syntaxis is here. Because of this promontory structures in the Indian peninsula. So उसको ऐसे carve कर दिया. The point is, आप थोड़ा इसको देखें. ये तिब्बत है. This side India. So this is the total your Tethys Ocean. Tethys Ocean कितना किलोमीटर का था? 5,000 6,000 किलोमीटर का ocean था. अभी suppose इंडिया से ऑस्ट्रेलिया कितना दूर है? 24 आवर्स लगता है ना. कितना किलोमीटर, कितना डिस्टेंस होगा? मे बी 5,000-6,000 किलोमीटर होगा फ्रॉम इंडिया टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया. इतना तो होगा ना. आइडिया नहीं आता है. कैसे नहीं आता है? आप एयर में जाएंगे तो 24 आवर्स लगता. कितना होगा? हाँ 25 किलोमीटर. 24 आवर्स में एक घंटा में कितना जाता है एरोप्लेन? 500 ऊपर थोड़ा जल्दी जाता है. 800
लेकिन स्टॉप ओवर है.
ये ओवर है. कैसा होगा तो डिस्टेंस बढ़ जाएगा क्या? बताओ तो कितना है?
सर कंटिन्यूस नहीं आता.
बताओ कितना डिस्टेंस है इंडिया टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया?
तो 7,800.
7 वेरी 6,000 ने बोला. बढ़ा के अब देखो ऐसा है 7,000 किलोमीटर का ओशन. Tethys Ocean. So that was close to. Now what is the distance between China to India? Maybe 200 kilometers on the flight. क्या बोलते हैं? Crow flight distance. 200 kilometers. तो कितना squeeze हो गया? From 6,000 to 200 kilometers only. So इतना sediment stuck up हो गया ना एक narrow belt में. You don't understand this part ना? Now सबडक्शन जोन इधर था, सबडक्शन जोन वाज देयर, यहां से जाके ये कोलाइड हुआ, दिस इज व्हाट यू सॉ ना। सो यहां से दैट एप्रोन यू नो स्टार्टेड क्लोजिंग, you understand ना। तो यहां से इंडिया जाके, इंडिया इज नाउ सबडक्टिंग हियर, दिस इज योर चाइना, चाइना दिस इज इंडिया। तो ये सेडिमेंट्स ऑफ डिपॉजिट था नहीं, द सेडिमेंट्स ऑफ डिपॉजिटेड लाइक दिस, sediments are deposited like this. So from this side, this is subducting. ये scrapping करता है, यहाँ से scrap करता है. It is not a opening space. कोई होल नहीं इधर चला जाएगा कोई. It is scrapping out. तो ये जो sediment है, from this side you know, it will start. ऐसे बैक मारेगा ना इस वजह से. पीछे तरफ जाएगा. आप एक एप्रोन लेके यहाँ से पुश करो. पहले तरफ vertically folded होगा. फिर ऐसे tilt होगा ना. तो लाइक दिस दे विल टिल्टेड। तो फर्स्ट क्या होगा, इस सेडिमेंटरी एप्रोन को पहले इसको क्रम्पल करेंगे। बिलो तो यू हैव बेसिन है, बासाल्टिक रॉक्स है। ये बासाल्टिक रॉक्स क्या होगा, इसके अंदर थ्रो हो जाएगा, इसके अंदर घुस जाएगा, फॉर्मिंग द ओफियोलाइट्स। ये जो बासाल्टिक बेसमेंट है, ये ओफियोलाइट्स क्रिएट करेगा। अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट और नॉट टेलिंग। ऐसे करते करके पहले सेडिमेंटरी बेसिन को, सेडिमेंटरी एप्रोन को क्लोज करेगा। धीरे धीरे इसका हाइट बिल्ड होगा, बिल्ड होगा, बिल्ड होगा। करके कुछ तो हाइट तक जाएगा ना, इट विल गो टू सर्टेन हाइट, इट कैन नॉट बी इनफाइनाइट हाइट, इट कैन नॉट बिल्ड यू नो। सर्टेन हाइट तक जाएगा, जाने के बाद क्या होगा, क्या होगा, यहाँ एक थ्रस्ट डेवलप करेगा। ये तो पहला थ्रस्ट है। सेकेंड थ्रस्ट विल डेवलप हियर, वेयर this mountain belt will become like this you know, 8 किलोमीटर 9 किलोमीटर तक हो जाएगा, तब ये डेवलप। फिर क्या होगा, ये सब चीज क्या होगा, इसका ऊपर उठेगा, वो माउंटेन बेल्ट के साथ ऐड होगा। फिर क्या होगा, फिर इधर एक होगा, फिर ये सब चीज इसका ऊपर उठेगा, लाइक दिस यू नो। ये नीचे है, फिर उसके ऊपर ये रहेगा, फिर उसका। तो आप तो इंडिया साइड से जाएंगे ना, पहले इंडिया की पार्ट आएगा ना पहले, ठीक, दिस इज इंडिया ना। सेडिमेंटरी पार्ट तो अंदर आएगा, बहुत भी बात सबसे ऊपर होगा। ये तो पहले उसको क्रम्पल किया ना। सो दिस विल बी द टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द हिमालय माउंटेन, वो पहले क्रम्पल हुआ। क्रम्पल कर करके एक 7-8 किलोमीटर का हिल बनाया, इतना नहीं वो कम। जब वो हाइट गेन हो गया, देन अनदर थ्रस्ट इन द फॉरवर्ड मूवमेंट, इस तरफ मूव कर रहा है, उस तरफ भी थ्रस्ट डेवलप करेगा, पीछे नहीं करेगा, यहाँ डेवलप। सो दिस इज फास्ट, सबडक्शन इज फास्ट। सेकंड वन इज दिस थ्रस्ट। तो ये थ्रस्ट होगा, इतना पहाड़ इसके ऊपर डालेगा, फिर इसका पहाड़ इसका डालेगा, तो ये इंडिया आके पहुंच गया। इंडिया में भी थ्रस्ट डेवलप करेगा। मैं बोल रहा था ना IIT रूट में डेवलप करेगा एक दिन, देखना। तो बोले इसको पूरा लाके इसका ऊपर डाल। दिस इज हाउ यू नो वन थ्रस्ट बेल्ट विल रिमेन ओवर। ये थ्रस्ट बेल्ट ऐसा, ये थ्रस्ट बल्कि ये जो क्लाइंबिंग अप यू नो, तो सेडिमेंटरी बेल्ट्स विल बी लाइंग एट द टॉप, वेरी क्लोज टू द सबडक्शन जोन। तो इंडियन पार्ट्स यू नो, इंडियन पार्ट्स जैसे पहले से थे, इंडिया में जो जियोलॉजी है हम पढ़े, वो पार्ट धीरे 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 रहेगा, स्टैक होकर रहेगा। बट फॉलो दिस पॉइंट ना, दैट मींस आप ऐसे सपोज ये सब इंडियन पार्ट ग्रेजुअली दिस थ्रस्ट सीट्स, दिस थ्रस्ट सीट्स, ये एक थ्रस्ट सीट है, ये थ्रस्ट सीट है, ये थ्रस्ट सीट है, ये थ्रस्ट सीट इज यंगर देन दिस थ्रस्ट सीट। यंगर, यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट मीन है? कब ये नीचे से आगे ऊपर पहुंचा, उसका अंदर क्या है वो भूल गया, बट ये जो कब ये आया ऊपर निकल के, ये कब आया? The youngest one will be here, you know, this thrust. ये thrust it will be little older, ये thrust it will be further older. रॉक उसका अंदर जो होने दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। तो यहाँ जो डिफॉर्मेशन होगा इधर, the youngest डिफॉर्मेशन होगा। डिफॉर्मेशन के साथ ग्रेनाइट भी आता है और वो सही कोई सारी चीजें होता है ना इसके अंदर, वो भी यंगेस्ट इवेंट। अंडरस्टूड? ओल्डेस्ट इवेंट तो यहाँ होगा, This part I have you understood. तो आप जब यहाँ से जाएंगे, the youngest seat will be here, MBT. Next youngest seat will be, next oldest seat will be MCT. Then the next oldest seat will be Tethians. Do Tethian rocks are younger? Tethian rocks are younger. But वो जो थर्ड सीट में बोल रहा हूँ, event. Understood ना? तो मैं एक चीज जब पैराबोलिक को बोलूँगा, क्या बोलूँगा आप? आ जाओ पैराबोलिक को. We'll discuss in the next class. But एक मिनट यार, कहाँ चला गया पैराबोलिक? ये some time ना, 5 minutes. ये मैं कैसे हुआ? अब सपोज यहाँ से सबडक्शन हो गया ना? ये जो एक थ्रस्ट बेल्ट आप देखना है, ये एक थ्रस्ट बेल्ट, ये और एक थ्रस्ट बेल्ट, ये एक थ्रस्ट बेल्ट, ये एक थ्रस्ट बेल्ट, एक के ऊपर एक जस्टापोज होकर बढ़ गया. तो which one will be younger one? Next. तो आपको ओल्डेस्ट रॉक कहाँ मिलेगा? ओल्डेस्ट इवेंट में तो ग्रेनाइट टेम्पलेस हुआ होगा, because during deformation the granite intrusion takes place. तो ग्रेनाइट को हम हमेशा बेस मानेंगे. यहाँ जो ग्रेनाइट टेम्पलेसमेंट इधर होगा, वो कब होगा? यंगेस्ट इवेंट को डिस्क्राइब करेगा. इसमें जो होगा नेक्स्ट ओल्डेस्ट. तो individual thrust seats will be determined, you know, with respect to the granite emplacements. धीरे धीरे करके, so now it is a thrust belt, this is a thrust belt, this is a thrust belt. यहाँ से पुश हुआ, इसको कर्वेचर कर दिया. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ना? हाँ? तो ये था क्राटन, अरबियन न्यूबियन स्टील था, ये बुंदेलखंड था, ये सभी ने प्रेस कर दिया. But follow this point.
This Arabian is underplating to that Bundelkhand.
What did he say?
Sir, Arabian is undergo to Bundelkhand. Inside the...
No, we'll stop it. So my mind is tired now. Little bit. Okay? So you understood this part now? How the thrust belts are? You have to bring some edges to it. एडजस्ट को तो डिस्क्राइब नहीं किया आप लोग के पास, तो कैसे मैं डिस्क्राइब? ताकि टेक्स्ट में था. ऐसे बोलने से क्या आप